Hey, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls from around the world. As you can see, one of another champions, World Champion of Public Speaking 2013, Mr. Press.
Yes.
Very nice meeting you.
Pleasure.
We are here at Toastmasters International Convention 2019, Denver, Colorado, United States of America. I would request you one tip for the people who are aspiring Toastmasters, public speakers, as well as champions of public speaking. What do you have? Because you are a legend, you are a living example, you are inspiring so many people. So I have found you everywhere, in every convention.
Well,
Please.
for me, thank you, Amjad. For me, it's the magic of Toastmasters, the supportive organization. I quickly discovered the value and I joined 6 clubs. So
Wow.
I really took the intense program, and it's great because I joined 6 clubs, I visited, I practiced, I applied the tools, I joined the contest. It was complete immersion in the program, and it's wonderful. One thing specifically that helped me is mastering the art of storytelling. Because storytelling is what captures the attention and it what stays in the minds of the audience. That's why I studied for many years storytelling, and now I study, coach, teach, train others in the art of storytelling.
And this is what you're selling, how to master your
How to
compelling
master compelling storytelling, my online course, packing everything I've learned.
You can talk about your course.
A to Z.
How people
to
can
find
get in
stories, how to organize them, how to outline them, how to script them. See, I had the shortest speech ever in the World Championship of Public Speaking, 489. When English is your second language, you have to slow down. The sexy accent can get in the way. So you slow down so that they can understand you. And you also, when you slow down, you realize that the words gain power because you gain and tap into the power of the pause.
All right.
Pauses. That's what. Initially, when I started, I wasn't very convenient and comfortable. It wasn't convenient for me to pause. Wasn't comfortable with that pause. But then it's the magic of the pause that drives the ideas home.
If someone wants to reach you
Yes.
to get your training, your coaching, how somebody can reach you?
Very easy. Reach me at my website, pressays.com, and that's PRESSAYS.com. I'll see you soon.
Perfect. Be in the frame. Ladies and gentlemen, he is a living legend, international speaker, and world champion of public speaking 2013. If you want to become a public speaker, join Toastmasters and connect with Press as well. And you will reach somewhere where you never even wished, or you have ever wished. We'll catch up again with another celebrity, another legend. Till then, stay tuned. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel and take care of yourself.